Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to add OnTriggerEnter2D to our project so that when we crash into something else instead of a circle, like when we pass through it, it's gonna print out something in our console. So let's add another object from 2D object sprites and let's use a square. Yeah, let's move it up here, shape it like this, change the color of it. Let's put it yeah, pink should do. So come back to square. So we all know that we have to add a box collider 2D. So that when we pass through it, we're gonna know that when we pass through it. So yes, it's perfectly shaped. So now if we run and if we crash into it, see, it does not have a rigid body. That's why it's not moving. But let's add, there's one thing here that is trigger. So when we click this up and come over here, you will see what's happening. We're passing through it, but it's still printing ouch. So let's open our collision script. So in here we're gonna add on trigger enter 2D. Let's erase the private part, bring the bracket up down. So now in here we're gonna write debug debug.log. Now let's write what was that. Add a semicolon, save that up, come over here to Unity. Now when we run this, and when we pass through it, it's gonna print, let's open up our console, it's gonna print something else. What was that? But now if we crash into the circle, it's gonna print ouch. What was that? Ouch. What was that? Ouch. What was that? Okay, so this was all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.